today's video, I'll detail how to change distance units on Telegram. So if you're using Telegram and you want to change your distance units from miles to kilometers or from kilometers to miles, you can easily do this. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change your distance unit on Telegram, what you just need to do is open the Telegram application like this and then click on the three lines at top left and select settings. Now while on the settings page, just scroll down and click on chat settings. Once you selected that, you want to scroll down. So just keep scrolling until you get to distance units and click on that. Then here you have three options available. The first one is to set your Telegram distance units to automatic, and this is going to switch between kilometers and miles. But if you want to fix your distance unit on Telegram, just select kilometers, and this is going to set the distance unit to kilometer. You can also choose it to set it to miles. So this is going to set the distance units to miles on your Telegram. However, it is advisable to always use automatic so that this is going to automate the distance units on the Maps app while using Telegram. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.